Alright, so today's Friday. I have a package that came in. There's 2 boxes here of my meth kit that I bought. This is the MPVI 2 that came in. I bought this off Facebook Marketplace, so hopefully I can go ahead and get it registered, and that way the tuner will be able to remote tune everything for me. Let's go ahead and get the box open and see what's all that's included. Hopefully everything is here. I'm not missing anything. Planning on getting this installed this weekend, and then by Monday or Tuesday I'll try and get it remote tuned, and then take a little trip to Mexico, do a couple of pulls, and make sure everything is working as it should. Let me go ahead and set up so I can go ahead and open up everything for now. This kit was originally for a C7, so I went and reached out to Julio from Alky, and he went and sent me the hose and bracket that I'm gonna need to be able to make this work for my Camaro. So this is what this box for. As you can see, this is all that I'm gonna need. Crazy, right? But this is it. And of course that comes with the manual, and let's see. I'm finally convinced this might be the best route to go, because either way, you know, you're going to need meth, you know, if either for fuel or, you know, for temp cooling. But you are going to need meth, you know. In my case right now, it's a 50-50. It's to, you know, help with the fueling, but it's more so for my IAT, you know, keeping my IAT low. And Florida is extremely hot, and the heat, man, it's terrible. So I bought the meth kit. It's an Alky control meth kit. I bought it brand new. I got a good deal on it, man. I got a great deal on it. It's a friend of mine that have a C7. He bought it for his car. He ended up selling the car and never used it, so it was still brand new. I bought it from him, and then I reached out to Julio at Alky, and he sent me the 2 holes that I need to be able to make it work for my car. And that's exactly what I did, man. So now I'm dropping the car off. Now, as you know, I'm not in Miami, so I had to find somebody up here that's done the job and has done it well, and you know that everybody speak highly of. So dropping the car off to him, let him do the install for me, speak to him about a few other things that I might get in the future, and see, you know, if he's able to do it for me. But I'm excited, man. Like I said, you know, when I first started this build, you know, I didn't want nothing much. I just wanted a car that was fun to drive and that I enjoyed. And I didn't know what I was getting myself into. And I kept chasing power and power and power and power. And here we are, a year later, I'm still chasing. And that's the rabbit hole, man. I don't wish that on nobody. Be honest with you, because this is not for the faint of hearts, man. You are going to spend a lot of money, especially with this LT motors. You know, what's the most expensive is not even a supercharger. What's most expensive is addressing your fuel. That's the most expensive part. But once you have that figured out, oh man, sky's the limit, man. But we'll see. As soon as it's done, I'll go ahead and try to get the car tuned next week, and then I'll show you guys what the numbers are. I'll get a base run, and then from the base run, I'll let you know how much powers I picked up. So yeah. Oh, one other thing too. Instead of going right now, I'm only running E50. So with the meth, I'll be able to go full E85. I can't wait, because it's a hassle, you know, trying to mix E with 93 to get to that E50 content. So now I don't have to worry about mixing anymore. I just go ahead and, you know, put the pump in and start pumping, man. guys, man. I hope you guys enjoying this. This content is different, you know. So please, man, if you're enjoying this and you'd like me to do more videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button. Please, you know. I'm not asking for donations. I'm not asking for money. Just a like. That's all. Like, and if you're interested in seeing how far I go with this build, or if you're interested in my car, or you're just interested in what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button. You know, it goes a long way, man. That's how YouTube